Hi my loves, welcome back to another video with your girl Moya. This is Betty's in the Bag, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. In today's video, we have $200 that we'll be stuffing into our low priority binder. So let's get into it. We're gonna start off with a positive quote as we always do. So let's go ahead and see what today's positive quote is. Positive quote for today: it's all going to work out. Okay, so just stay positive. It doesn't matter if you're going through a rough patch, it will all work out, baby. Don't worry too much. So let's get into the video. Let me get my cash divider. So we have $200 to stuff into low priority. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's 180. And we have 190, 200. So let us get our low priority binder. Okay, so the first up on the low priority list is online shopping. And for online shopping today, we're adding $20. For my daughter, so we have my daughter stuff. And for my daughter stuff, we're adding $15. Next up, we have going out, and for going out, we are adding $30. It's time to go out, okay? It's time to scrap all this working and go somewhere, for reals. We have gadget accessories next, and this is $10. Next up, we have household items, and our household items do have an insert. So let's check it out. For household items, it's $5 each, and today we're adding $30. So let's go ahead and shade 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we're shading six of these things. So let's do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let's go ahead and add our cash. So that's $30. Have it right here. Next up, we have self-care. Self-care also has an insert as well. And today we're adding $40 to self-care. Now for self-care, each icon is $20. So if we're adding 40, we need to shade in 2. So we're going to do the 2 chairs in the top. We have 1, 2. Now we could add our $40. Next up, we have luxury items. And luxury items, we're adding $20 today. Your girl needs some new perfumes. Your girl needs some stuff, okay? So let's go ahead and add our $20. We're gonna shade 1 because each of these are 20. Next up we have books. We're adding $10 to books. Also has an insert. And for books, each insert is $5. We're adding $10, so we're going to shade in 2 of the top books. So 1, 2. So let's add our $10 to books. And then last but not least, we have mommy stuff. And to mommy stuff, we're adding $25. So we have a 2 10s and a 5. And that completes our stuffing for low priority.